So in this very lesson we learn about circular measure, and we learn how to find an arc length for a circle. Alright, so let's say if you have a circle, okay, and well, this is the center, okay, and this is A, and this is B, and this is P here. Alright, so this is Q. Alright, so APB is known as your, okay, this point here is known as your minor arc, okay, and AQB is known as your major arc. Alright, so if you want to find APB, okay, all you have to do is take theta over 360 degrees, because the whole circle, okay, angles at a point will make up 360 degrees, times 2 pi r, okay, where theta is in degrees. Okay, either that or this is the first formula you should remember. The second formula you should remember is, okay, remember theta is in degrees in this case, and 2 pi r, this is the circumference of the circle. Okay, the second formula you should remember is S equals to r theta. Okay, S is arc length. Okay, r is radius. Okay, in both formulas r is your radius, and in this case theta is in radians. What is radians? Okay, now do take note of this. Okay, when we talk about radians, radians can be converted to degrees, and degrees can be converted to radians. So how do we convert it? Okay, pi radians is equals to 180 degrees, pi rad for short. Alright, so 1 degree equals to pi over 180 radians. Okay, so if you want, for example, to convert 30 degrees is equals to 30 times pi over 180. Okay, cancel, divide by 30, you get pi over 6 radians. So 30 degrees is also pi over 6 radians. Alright, so let's try and solve a question. Okay, so we have a circle here. Okay, I know this doesn't look very good, but okay, O is the center of the circle, this is A, and this is B. Okay, now this is 30 degrees. Okay, if you want to find arc length AB, all you have to do is take 30, okay, over 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, and let's say if the radius of the circle is 6 cm. Okay, O to A is actually the radius of circle. So 30 over 360 times 2 pi times 6. Now everyone press your calculator. Use the calculator value of pi. 2 times pi times 6 times 30 over 360. Okay, you should be able to get 3.14 to 2 decimal places. Alright, shall we do it again? 30 over 360 times 2 times pi times 6. Yes. Okay, so the answer is 3.14 centimeters. Okay, to 2 decimal places. Now you can either do it this way, or you can just take S equals to r theta. Remember, this theta is in radian mode. Alright, so you got to convert 30 degrees to radians. So pi radians equals to 180 degrees. Okay, pi over 180 radian is equals to 1 degree. 30 degrees is equals to 30 times pi over 180. 30 degrees is equals to pi over 30 divided by 30 is 180 divided by 30 is 6, pi over 6 radians. So S is the arc length in this case, R is 6 times pi over 6. Alright, cancel, cancel. You also get 3.14 to 2 decimal places. So both formulas will actually give you the same answer. Only difference is that one is in degrees and the other one is in radian mode.